wouldn't want to make $10,000 in 1 hour? My favorite way I've secured funding for my business is through grants. I love grants because unlike loans, you don't have to pay grant money back. Amber Grant gives out monies every month, so you can apply as many times as you want until you win. One of the great parts about the Amber Grants is the questions are super simple. First, you just state your business idea, and the second, you tell how you're going to use the monies if you win the grant money. Subscribe to learn more about small business grants.